Hello everyone and welcome back. Today in this video we'll see how a realistic eye is drawn with the use of graphite pencils. So here we go. Firstly, as you can observe, I'm drawing the outline of the eye. For doing this, I'm using an HB pencil. If you are a beginner, you must try using hard grade pencils like B, HB, 2B, etc. For drawing the outline, don't use pencils such as 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B, as it's very hard to erase them if you accidentally draw something wrong. Also, if you pressurize them way too much and might damage your paper as well. So be careful with your pencils. Now I am shading with the help of a HB pencil. As you can see, I'll shading it very lightly. Be cautious not to pressurize your pencil extensively. It's just the first layer, we'll be finishing it layer by layer. After that, I am taking a dry brush or a makeup brush to blend. Makeup brushes prove to be great for blending. Now I am heading towards the eyebrow. Shading it with 10B pencil. I am shading in a particular direction like the hair of an eyebrow actually are. You can do it according to your own reference picture. To get a fine realistic look, you should focus on your strokes the most. If the strokes aren't good enough, your blending will also not be that fine. Then again I am taking a dry brush to blend the strokes. We have to do it layer by layer just like that until our values are properly set. As it is visible, I am working on the highlights using a Tombow Mono 0 eraser. Now I am creating soft highlights by lightly pressing with a kneaded eraser. After that, I am using an HB pencil for the strokes of the iris. Using the Mono 0 eraser again, I am creating the highlights. Now I am making eyelashes by using a 10B pencil. I am giving just soft strokes. And after some final touches, our drawing is complete. So if you liked this tutorial, then surely subscribe and press the bell icon for update. I'd also give a shot at my Insta handle, there I keep posting all sorts of artwork. Also, I'd like to thank my girlfriend Anika for the final script and English subtitles. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in our next tutorial video.